Okay, so this video is going to show you how to open or how to replace your flapper door on your French door fridge. And the flapper door is also called the mullion, which is attached to the left side of the door. And in our case, sometimes when we close the fridge door, it doesn't bend properly, so we can't close it. And we believe the issue is the hinge inside of the fridge. As you can see, it's very clearly cracked on our mullion door, so we're going to have to replace that. Now, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but we don't like inconsistency, now do we? So there's two ways to unpower the fridge. One is turning power off at the breaker. The second is to actually just unplug the fridge itself. Usually you wouldn't really want to move the fridge. However, I'm opting to do that in my case because I never move the fridge. So there's a lot of stuff built up at the back here that I'd like to clean. So I'll move the fridge out a little bit, clean that up, and then unplug it and then continue on. So stay tuned. Okay, so the fridge has been unpowered. Now what you want to do is you want to open the left door and switch this flap to the other side to get access to the screws here. And you can see there's a hinge at the top, at the bottom, which you don't have to worry about. You just have to worry about removing the middle screw right now, which is what I'll do, and then we'll move forward. Okay, so I've moved the middle screw out of the way, and as you can see, there's only one hole here. So you might have seen these two gray hole circles here. They're not screws, so you don't need to remove those. They're just for aesthetics, I suppose. I'm not really sure. So you just got to remove the screw here and then pop it up from the bottom so that it gets unhooked from these two hinges here, and then you're good to go. All you have to do now is press this and slide this wire out of the way, and then you're ready to install your new flapper door / mullion. So just want to show you on my old mullion that this thing was on its way out. As you can see, it's not even centeredly aligned. So whenever it closed, it could, angle itself like this, and sometimes the door wouldn't close. So that's why it needed to be replaced, and we're going to do that shortly. So we've got the new mullion here. The old mullion is down there. And all we have to do is plug this wire into this opening here, hook these top pieces to this and the bottom piece to this hinge here, close the door and test it out a few times, and hopefully it'll work. Okay, so the new mullion is in. Just had to replace the screw. Keep your old screw intact because the new one does not come with a screw, so just reuse the old one. And as you can see, the hinge looks a lot better. Right. There's no cracks on this one. So once we close this, you'll see it looks good, and it'll close automatically. There we go. So now you just gotta plug the fridge back in, and if you have to, just do the cleaning, which I've already done, and then you're good to go.